you guys. We were going through the packet and we thought it was a little bit incomplete, so we decided to add another witness to the case, okay? So you guys will be able to use that witness. I'm going to pass out the extra witness statement now, okay? So y'all read through it. See what you guys think about it. Read through, read it carefully.
Section 3, the U.S. economic imperialism is at peril.
There you go.
4 deals with Mexico.
We got it? Okay. We're going to go through and we're going to do some questioning with it. So Brittany and Malik are going to help us do this, okay? So why don't y'all come up here? You guys are my future lawyers. It's going to be just fine. Come up here, right here. Okay. Malik, you come right here. There you go. Okay, Brittany is my lawyer, okay? She's going to be asking questions. Malik is?
Victor Tello.
Victor Tello. Nice. Okay, and this is what we're going to do. There's going to be some problems with the questions and answers that are happening right now, okay? We're learning some rules. So I'm going to be an attorney, okay? I'm on the opposite side of Brittany, and I'm a very good attorney. So I'm going to be objecting to everything I can object to, okay? You guys are the judges. You got it? Okay, so when an attorney makes an objection in court, the judge rules on the objection, okay? And decides if he agrees, the judge decides if she agrees with the objection or not, okay? Do y'all know what are the things that a judge can say when he hears an objection? Sustained and overruled. That's wonderful. And what do those things mean? Which one means he agrees with it, the objection? Sustained. So if you're in court and you say objection and the judge says sustained, then they have to stop doing whatever you think is wrong, right? Okay. If they say overruled, what does that mean? You just keep going. Whatever they're doing is right, okay? So I am the attorney. I'm going to be yelling objection. I'll be pointing at you guys. You're going to say sustained, and you are going to tell me why it's wrong, okay? Okay, so here we are. We're in court. Okay, loud and proud, you guys.
Please state your name for the record.
Victor Tello.
What is your occupation?
I'm a U.S. Army reservist
How long have you been in the service?
for about 6 years now.
Do you work alone or with a partner?
I work with the partner,
Who's your partner?
Randy Wood.
Where did you first meet Randy?
I met him about a month ago at a hot dog eating contest.
When was the hot dog eating contest?
About a month ago.
Keep going.
The hot dog contest is a great place to go. Everyone knows it's the best place to pick up chicks. That's where I got the name Tantalizing Tello. This year I got 6 digits from 6 girls.
Objection. What's wrong here?
He gave,
Too much information, right? Who can think? What was the question that she asked? Does anyone remember what she actually asked?
no, because he's doing so all the extra details.
He kept on talking. Repeat what the question was.
When was the hot dog eating contest?
When was the hot dog eating contest? So what would be the right answer there?
The date of the contest.
Right, but he just went on and on and on, right? So why is that so bad?
Distraction.
Number one, it's a distraction. Wonderful. Okay, what else? What would happen if we just let people talk and talk and talk during a trial?
Because you're confusing and
Long gone.
have no purpose.
It would take forever too, right? Okay, so that's what we don't want. So that's exactly right. I'm passing this out right now. This is, here, pass that around. So this is a rule of evidence that we have to learn. Because when we're in trial and we hear someone talking too much, we're going to say objection. And there's actually a formal name for it, okay? And that's narration. Here, Malik, can you kind of get out of the way?
Trying to get out of the way.
Okay, so you write this down. Narration. Narration is talking too much, giving too much to the, too much in response to the question asked. Okay. Let's keep going. Write that down, Joseph. Okay, loud.
Is it true that you ate 23 hot dogs at the contest?
Yes.
Let's move forward a little bit. What happened on the day of September 21st, 2000?
There was a hurricane named Regina.
What happened when you were arrested?
Jesse tried to explain his early behavior at the Mega Mart when he mouthed off at Randy. He told me he had been diagnosed with the anger management problem.
Objection. Okay, so something's going wrong here. What do you think's going wrong right here? Malik, why don't you repeat it loud so they can hear what you said?
Jesse,
Well, say exactly what you told the... Okay, repeat that last question.
What happened when you were arrested now?
Jesse tried to explain his early behavior at the Mega Mart when he mouthed off at Randy. He told me that he had been diagnosed with the anger management problem.
What could be wrong with what's going on right here? He's on the stand. He said, look, this guy told me this is what's going on.
Hearsay.
Yeah, shame. You can tell me. What did he say? What does that mean? So what's wrong with that people doing? I don't think we know what hearsay is. It should be first-hand information, or what could be the problem?
They may get switched up, turned over.
Or would you like, if you were on trial, would you like to be on trial and someone be like, well, I was at this party and this guy told me that LaQuandra did all this? What could be a problem with that if he's just getting up on the stand saying what other people told him?
He has no proof.
Yeah, you don't have any proof, right? He could just be making up, or maybe he heard that person inaccurately, right? Okay. So this is actually, okay, so let them see this. This is also a rule of evidence, and the formal word for it is hearsay. You know when you're trying to intimidate the other person, and you might be being kind of mean, you might be making fun of the witness. Well, you guys won't. Maybe this will be like School Without Walls or something. And they keep on trying to mess with your witness. You can stop them, okay? You want to stop it as soon as you can. And it sounds like Erica already knows what to say. What do you say? Objection. Badgering the witness, okay? Just means messing with the witness, okay? So what do you say if I keep on messing with Arminta up on the stand? Objection.
What's something you could say if you was messing with him?
What's that? Yeah,
I know. I understand.
but if you're the witness, you can't make an objection for yourself,
You know what I'm
okay?
saying? How would you be badgering her? What you say?
Oh, you want me to do an example? Okay, with Arminta. Okay, Arminta is Jordan Ash, the foster mother, okay? So you didn't have a job?
No.
And you don't have any money? No, answer me. Don't look over there.
Oh.
Okay? How many children do you have?
12.
How many?
12.
And you don't have a job?
No.
Can you stop fiddling with the paper?
No.
Objection. Badgering the witness, okay? Okay? Arminta wouldn't take any of that anyway. Okay. So listen. So we're going to play a game so that we make sure that you understand these questions, okay? And we actually played this game at our law school, okay? And it's hard, okay? The law students had a tough time with it. But you know what? When you're in trial, this is going to be hard to find these evidence rules, okay? And so let me explain it. We're going to divide up. We're going to count off into 5 teams, okay? I have around the room, do you see them? Put up numbers, okay? Each team is a different color, and each team has 10 of these cards. So when I say go, you have to go around and start finding them. You can't open them, okay? They're numbered, but the numbers don't mean anything. I just did that to help you so you can know when you have all 10. You may not open them, okay? No looking at them. So once you get them all lined up and you have all 10 numbers, then one member of your team can open one of them, okay? You can only do it one at a time. Okay, so you open it up, you read it. It's going to be a question and probably an answer that's going to be asked in trial, okay? You can talk to your team and you try to figure out where, if it's an objection or if it's okay. If it's an okay question and answer, it's admissible, okay? There's going to be a few of those and it's going to be tricky, but most likely there's going to be a problem with it. It's going to be one of those 7, okay? When you think you know what's wrong with it, or if it's admissible, you go put it in to whichever envelope is right. There's 3 back there on the back wall, 4 right there, and admissible goes there. You go, come back, tag your teammate, and the teammate can open the next one, okay? Got it? Questions? First person to get done gets delicious Easter candy and an extra 10 points and a ham sandwich and 10 points for the day, okay? They're not on the side. Yep. What are you missing? What color are you?
Jesse, did you think it would be safe when you grabbed your pop and climbed into the attic?
That's the answer
Yeah.
right now, but the water
I thought we would be
rising.
safe, but the water kept rising.
That's like,
I believe that is admissible.
Yeah, that's admissible. That's admissible.
You get extra points if you finish the rest.
Jesse, did you think you would be
Coach
safe
got paid
if
for
you
it.
read
Okay, you guys get started. Get started. I'll try to.
Yeah, I thought we'd be safe with the water kept
Y'all, I got it.
opinion on
Here, Green. Get started.
yeah, and ultimate issue.
Okay, no, that's good stuff.
Get it fast, but get it right. Get it right.
Because he gave out so much information. I don't know. They just put it in there.
This ain't need a question, this ain't need opinion. Is it true? Yes or
opinion on the ultimate. Which one? Opinion on
Okay, which one was opinion on the ultimate issue? Y'all remember?
When I picked.
Opinion on the ultimate issue. Anyone remember?
It is the one I picked.
What was it talking about? Let's see.
I picked it. It's right.
Let's see. Do you think he's guilty of looting? Of course not. We needed everything he took. Purple gets it. Guilty of looting. Green gets it. Did y'all do it? Guilty of looting. Blue gets it. This is opinion on the ultimate issue. Yellow? Where's my yellow? It's okay. Maybe they can make an argument here. You said, Jesse, did you think you would be safe when you grabbed your pop and climbed into the attic? Jesse says, yeah, I thought we would be safe, but the water kept rising. Is this an opinion on the ultimate issue?
Yeah, because
Why?
my father died.
So.
What's the
ultimate issue is because he thought, and the issue is that his father could have drowned, grandpa could have drowned,
cannot
and take
debate
him to the
this.
roof. Thank you very much.
That's the ultimate issue? What do you think, my judges?
How you gonna ask them? They don't want to.
Do they make a good case?
No. They don't want us nothing.
Okay. Ultimate issue has to be on the thing that they are in court for, which is 3 things.
Looting, rioting, and disorderly conduct.
Okay, so that's not the ultimate issue. Narration. Which one was narration? When they talked about Kelly a lot, it was narration. Blue gets it. Blue's catching up. Green, you got it. Purple, you got it. Pink, you got it. Yellow, what's happening? Irrelevant. What didn't matter? What didn't matter? SUV color didn't matter. What color is your SUV? Forest green. No. No. Pink got it. You guys can all have candy. You all did great. Today I was teaching about the rules of evidence and what objections they needed to make during a trial. But I really wanted the students to be able to figure out these rules for themselves. So we started by doing a skit and letting them hear what was wrong with the skit. And they could figure out for themselves what was wrong. So after we established the 7 rules that they had, I really wanted the kids to get up and get